This is a cuchillo canario, a production level cuchillo canario from Tenerife. So you can see that here, you can open it. It has inserts of wood, two types of wood with aluminum. So it's not a custom made and hand forged blade, but as you will see, it cuts very well, and you can use it for everyday purposes, like for cutting fruit or cheese or whatever you wish, vegetables, and so as I will show. So a very interesting utilitarian knife, as you can see it here. Again, it's a production level, right? So it's not like those which I have shown on this channel, cuchillo canarios, which were made by renowned smith from Canary Islands, mostly Gran Canaria, but also from Lanzarote. This one is a production level, but I really like it, especially my son Nima, because it is for him actually. So it can cut fruit and also vegetables, as I have mentioned it to you before. Here you see a cuchillo canario as a folder. It's also a production level, it's not one of those custom made ones. But again, as I mentioned it to you, you can also buy them in Gran Canaria. It opens quite well, and also very sharp if you want to put it to test, as you can see it here. You see the blade is quite sharp, and you can also cut celery very well, and it has no problem whatsoever going through it, as you can see it here. See, again, I show it to you. So you see, I mean, I really like the shape of cuchillo canario, because you can put your finger here, and even if you try to thrust, it prevents your hand from slipping into the blade. And this is a folder, as I mentioned it to you, and which makes it very nice to handle, right, as a folder. So I'm going to prepare with the folder, cuchillo canario as a folder, so you can take a look at that, how sharp it is. So even when you have production level, not custom made ones, and you buy them in Canary Islands, they can cut quite well. This, you know, these are made of aluminum, and then two different inserts of wood here. And as I have mentioned it before, this is a folder. You can take a look at that. Okay.